On this week's episode, we splash, take on water, head down the St. Mary's River to our very first anchorage, and in the midst of it, find ourselves going the wrong way.
That way.
Welcome to Sailing Galeas.
So, we bought a boat.
Sam, I want the back. I want the boat. Ava does. No, I want it.
We'll figure that out once we get everything on. Who gets what bed.
Well, you already know where I'm going to sleep. This is our boat. Okay, my boat. Sam, when I leave, Mama, what is this?
All right, come on, guys.
What is this thing?
Let's come out for a little bit.
What is this thing? There's time you're gone. We have a
That is the helm station. So this is where we drive the boat, essentially.
Wait.
All right. It is time to get on the water today. Oh, I don't think I brought any scissors to cut that darn sail sign off. We're not for sale anymore. It's ours.
It's ours. Wait, you're going to put it in the water?
What?
You're going to put it in the water?
They're bringing us over to where they're going to put the straps on. So we are moving right now. Here, Ava, will you take your cup? Take your cup. I got mine. Oh, this window needs to be cleaned so bad. So we are now getting ready to be putting the straps. You can see the thing right here. Sit down, Lil. We're getting in the straps.
This might be cool for once.
Okay, I need you guys to go sit down.
This is going to be so cool, guys. Oh, the house. The sea.
Sit down, Sam. Okay, you gotta sit on your bottom. On your bottom.
Oh, they can't hear it out in there.
Huh? No, it's on the chart table.
I am getting scared.
Chart table.
It's crossing the stairs.
By the settee where Lily's gonna sleep.
This is so cool, guys.
It is so cool. No, it stays. Just bring it to me. Here we go. Down we go.
There we go, guys. I can't wait. Oh, you're actually in the water technically right now. Look down there. Right across the water.
Like that?
No, we're down there.
I think so. We'll figure it out. Just try it.
We're going down, guys. We're going down.
We are. Sit. Sit on your bottom. Thank you.
Guys, this is so cool. Oh, the water's right there. Oh, where's that?
He's right there.
And we have.
Here we go. Oh, that one, yeah. All right. We are in the water. Now we gotta go check and see that we're not taking on any water.
That probably just needs to be tightened. Why is that like that? Hold on a
All
second.
right.
Oh, he probably inspected it and didn't secure it?
Oh my gosh,
Okay, but
that is so
I
much water.
It's fine.
I don't hear the bilge.
Well,
Can we start moving? Never mind. I don't know where I'm looking at.
Do we have all our power?
it should be
Is
on.
that okay to happen?
That
Still
just-
leaking a little, but that's
Well, I can.
Okay, I'm going up
that's
there. I
just
don't
finger tightening it.
Yeah.
Huh?
Turn this thing on. Battery's in, but it
Maybe it's not in right. That's fine.
So what's the problem that was happening with this?
So this is, you can still see it's leaking water because it wasn't tight.
Not right now, you can't. Maybe later. We'll figure it out later.
Yeah. So there's water filling up.
Yeah, but I think that we've got it tight enough. Yeah, I don't want it to keep dripping though. This one's supposed to.
I'm gonna go around.
So I think it's good though. I don't see any more water coming out.
All this stuff in here.
It's really warm in
Long
here.
table.
All right.
So we're on the boat.
Are we moving?
No, really.
It's like moving a
We're
little.
on the boat
Yay!
and we just in the water now.
Whoa, this is really cool. Come over
Well,
here.
not in the water,
There's a
but
paddle.
we put the thing on the water.
This is really
Hey, Lily, come on. Let's go back up. Ready?
Yeah, this is kind of cool. I'm not it's okay.
We got a problem
Is everything okay?
down below, but we should be fine.
Well, they're supposed to be sitting on water. That was my foot.
Is everything okay?
Yes.
Sam, what are you doing?
I bait.
Pretty cute. Is it cute?
They give it past or just.
So we started the engine on what, Lily? Lily's reading Cat and Hat.
I can read with my eyes shut.
Yeah, so the engine has started, and I'm pretty sure we're pushing off
There was
soon.
water coming in. There was water coming in right over
Yeah, we
here.
know. There was water
And
coming
there's
on.
water coming out of the boat, so that's
But-
done. And then we started the engine, and
Lily,
yeah.
just be quiet. Got it. But yeah, the engine started, and so I'm pretty sure we're pushing off soon. So that should be fun. I'm so excited. This should be a really fun adventure for us. I'm excited, and I'm ready to be on the road. On ocean. Oh yeah, look at my little hand. My little man hand. Hand man. I don't know. I don't know.
No.
We're setting off.
Where they catch lobsters and stuff. It's probably wanting to. It's not. Yeah.
Hey, Ava, go down on the panel switch and turn off the autopilot.
On the first few hours on the boat, there was lots to learn.
No,
If you
it's
haven't
not.
noticed,
It's
we're new
angry
at
that
this.
it's not. That's where we came from. It's not in good shape. Yeah, depth finder's fantastic.
See a boatyard. What's up, Sam? Just stay right there. Don't step on the windows. We are not. We don't have the sail on right now because you can see our stuck pack is all squashed. Because we had to take it off because it had to get repaired because there was a bunch of holes from a squirrel chewing it, or a rat or something, mouse, whatever. I don't even know. So we're out in the open. So the other day, remember when we were going home on the ferry?
Why is he turning?
I don't know.
Daddy, why are you turning? Oh, there.
Where are you going? Oh, never mind. He's fine. No, just stay. You gotta just be in a spot. I'm not sure where he's going. Babe, where are you going?
Huh?
Where are you going?
Direction that it told me to go.
Where do you have a direction to? St. Mary's is that way. You gotta hang a right, not a left.
Oh, crap. You're right. Hold on. I swear I set this up with a different route. What the heck is it? Oh, it's taking me to Fernandina.
No, we're
we're
going
not.
to St. Mary's, honey.
Going the wrong way. That's where we're going. I gotta change the course.
I'm just sitting.
She's fine.
It's fine.
Hey, watch the depth gauge for me for a minute.
Change of course.
All right, speeding up.
Just don't head straight for that green because
Stay on the
they
right
kind of
one.
want to go that way, that way. Something radio beeped?
Yeah. It's like, yeah, it's radio.
Oh yeah, because we don't even have that on, do we?
I'm pretty sure it's before.
Oh yeah.
Our radio?
No, I asked them to turn the gauge up.
Oh,
It's not powering on.
okay, but go. Because this is shallow, so you want to get off a little more that way. Because you can
According
see
to
the
this, I'm
current.
heading straight for where I need to go.
Okay. Well,
That makes way more sense because I was like, why is it saying that we're not going to get there till noon? Like, there's no way.
no way, Jose, but you can see a lot of sailboats out there sailing this morning. Good day to sail, really. Just the right wind. got to get our sail on.
Woo, we picked up a lot of speed now. What's that?
Join us next time as Dave tries out the dinghy with a few cute passengers. We anchor for the first time and spend our first night on the boat before we travel down the ICW to our new marina home. We look forward to seeing you on next week's episode.